The Bala and Penllyn area is a veritable mecca for walkers, with relaxed scenic walks suitable for the family, as well as more strenuous high-level mountain routes. The area is part of the Snowdonia National Park and includes the largest natural lake in Wales, deep valleys with fast-flowing rivers and rugged mountains almost 3,000 feet high. There are 3 mountain ranges around Bala Lake, or Llyn Tegid to use its Welsh name. To the west is the Arenig, to the south the Aran, and to the east and northeast the Berwyn. It is possible to hire a qualified mountain guide or to explore the area on your own, but don't forget your map and other essential equipment. An excellent scenic walk is around Llyn Tegid. There are several routes including the Snowdonia National Park Authority Leisure Network routes. The Bala Challenge is an annual charity walk organised by the Bala and Penllyn Rotary Club, which goes around the lake. But if you only want to do part, you can utilise the Bala Lake Railway or bus service between Bala and Llanuwchlyn. You can also go geocaching, a high-tech form of a treasure hunt using a GPS receiver to find a hidden container, which you can log your visit and swap items. You will find a wide range of accommodation in the Bala and Penllyn area, including bed and breakfast, country houses overlooking the lake, farm stay on working farms, hotels, traditional self-catering cottages, campsites by the lake or river, and budget accommodation. For further information, visit www.visitsnowdonia.info or www.visitbala.org.